great.
Nice yan.
Gawa ko lalo na. Again, special mention yung mga lolot lola ko, mga paglaban. Talagang pinakyat pa nila yung mga report sa amin. Yung balutang na nilutuhan nila, pinakyat pa nila sa third floor, sa second floor. Thank you very much, mga batang Manila. Thank you very much, mga nanay at tatay ko. Thank you very much. Gulat kami, actually, Chichi and I, and gulat kami na overwhelming lumabas na as far as 2:30, I guess, 2:30 a.m. ngayon. Initially, it's about 550,000 plus. 103% remaining. But for the meantime, I think we were advised by COMELEC mag-recess sila. And it will show up because of some hard. It's composed of 3% remaining. Still, sa eskwela. But for the meantime, maraming salamat. Maiayos natin ulit. We were very optimistic that with the help of the people of Manila, we can make Manila great.
Yun ba, inasahan nyo ba na magiging ganito ang resulta?
Gusto namin ni Gigi at sa mga of course, I think maybe John Doe St. Mary is a candidate gusto mo namin. Yun talaga ang pangarap namin, yung nakakabay ko sa tao, meaning but with the result, the official result of the officers of the city, overwhelmed kami. Kaya salamat talaga sa Diyos sa ating mga batang Maynila. Nakakagulat na na-overwhelmed kami siya. But we really appreciate it at malaking challenge because there's a great mandate given to us, Gigi and I, and most of our group. I think that 80% of our kapatid ay nanalo sa lahat.
Mayor, you're going back a few years after your first run in Manila. Ano ba yung aasahan na ng mga Manileño na something new that you would bring to the table after 3 years away from government?
I think one of the immediate concern ng Manila is the issue of basura. Yung pagkatuglot talaga ng and the criminality happening in the city. With the result of the election and issues raised during the campaign, I think yun na yun, immediate na kailangan bigyan ng attention. And then again, like Gigi committed to deliver livelihood programs sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. Ating mga plus the fact that we will continue to pursue the concept of MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. But initially, about yung cleanliness and orderliness and peace and order situation in the city will be controlled by us.
So mag-iikot ka ulit, sir? Parang dati lang.
Hindi
ka na matutulog.
Vloggers eh. Bago na kayo. Talagang, it's our commitment. Pag ako nabibigyan ng pagkakataon, I really try to dedicate my time serving the people. And that includes 3 hours. Oral de Manila.
So
Kaya mapupuyat kayo ulit.
Last na
Sir,
lang kasi.
sir, 4% na lang yung hinihintay natin na boto. Nakausap niyo na po ba yung mga katunggali ninyo? Meron na ba mga nag-congratulate? May ganun.
Well, hindi. But I don't know. I don't know kung ba yung sumulat. But we saw some...
Yeah, Sam Versosa, sir.
Mr. Versosa was seated already. But the other one, I don't know. And the others.
Willing kayo makipag-usap sa kanya, sir?
Because at the end of the day, taga Maynila sila. Magiging mamamayan ko sila. Then, as I have been doing and committed to sa Maynila, there are still members of the community, and we are, Chichi and I, and the entire York's Choice, which a great majority members of the City Council. Thanks again to the people of Manila. They're willing to serve them. So, yung pagkakapati-pati, I think, una ko na munang panawagan. Ito sa ating mga mamamayan. Sa buong eleksyon, yung mga nagkontrapartido, magkatapat ng ilog, pagpadi-padi lang po kayo. Tapos ako, akala na, nagpasya na ang taong bayan, binigyan tayo na. So, ang panawagan ko na lang sa mamamayan, pagpadi-padi lang po tayo mag-iwaiwalay. At the end of the day, tayo rin ang magkikita.
Yung mga alas 10 pa na ng gabi, alam mo natin na landslide po kayo, pero hindi po natuloy yung proklamasyon at yung gabi. Ano tumatakbo sa isip mo dito?
Siyempre, excited kami magproklama. I think kahit sinong kandidatong matakbo sa public office, excited magproklama. And especially, if it is highly improbable. If I may borrow that term from the commission. But then again, following rules and following instructions, it seems so far okay naman. And being understanding of the situation, the physical, emotional, and psychological challenge to our BEIs and the teachers and all other individuals who participated in this election, the backbone of the democracy at the time, elections going on then. I think it's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. pa sila. We'll give them understanding. But honestly, straightforward. They're very excited with the program because nakakaingit yung Las Piñas, saka San Juan City, Quezon City, Munti, so 4 na city na sa Metro Manila. I hope for next. Siguro yun lang muna masasabi. But for the meantime, kung ano magiging pa siya ng City Board of Managers or recess, rest sila waiting for 51 more card. We're willing to wait. Mapaghintay ng mga batang Maynila na
Kay Vice po, may mensahe po kayo sa mga supporters, mga sumuporta po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa suporta sa aming project. Maraming salamat sa hihingi po namin na kayo magtiwala na we are one hand with your government that nagpipigod po sa gobyerno na makikinig sa inyo pagdadako ng gobyerno. Maraming salamat. Sa aming mga pinahati, mag-deliver po kami. At kung si Jorge ay responsible po po na talagang kami kasi ang kaya nandun sila sa mga
Maraming salamat.
Humble ko na rin your measure. Nangunguna rin yung anak niyo po na si Joaquin sa Pangasinan. Ano po nasabi ko? Nakausap niyo na ba siya, Yorme?
oh, nandyan ako sa Loki. Eh, gusto ko lang manalo siya eh, pero
Number 1.
Number 1 po.
overwhelming din yung Tulog naman.
Pwede mahinga natin
Pwede
siya
ba namin
ng
may siya?
Isalang nyo na. Break in nyo na.
Break in talaga.
Break in talaga. Brand new, brand new. Brand new ang console.
Sir, first off, congratulations po on your win. Ano? Any advice that you got from your father pagdating po sa governance at pagiging konsehal bilang ang daddy nyo nagsimula din po bilang konsehal sa Tondo?
Ano masasabi mo, Joaquin? May marami nagsasabi na bata ka pa daw sa politika. Anong masasabi mo doon? Marami mga nagsasabi na bata ka pa daw sa politika.
Opo, bata naman po talaga ako. Ay, amin ko pa naman. Sa lahat po nagsasabi din na ito, baka wala akong magagawa. Ganun. So don't worry po, sa edad po, sa maglilingkod, wala yun sa edad. It's really the end of the day, it's your heart and your passion to strive to do better for the people. And kasi yung tipong yung you want to make them feel something yung nakaangat sa buhay nila. And not yung pwede na lang yan. Let's stop with the pwede na lang yan. Dapat much better. We give it to them. Because matagal na silang hindi nabibigyan ng tao.
English lang siya.
Friend sa tatay.
Congrats, let me, one more time, and thank each and every one of you, our partners in media, you're being vigilant in the last 45 days in the city of Manila. Dahil sa inyo, marami kayo nabantayan, maraming individual, hindi siguro nila nagawa yung sa magagawa nila. So I would like to thank each and every one. And then of course, our vloggers, pagkalabot talaga yan. Abunado pa sa akin yun. Sila pasalamatan. Yung mga supporters natin, mga leaders natin, and sorry. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga kababaihan ng Manila, kabakan ng Manila, at siyempre yung mga minamahal ng tagapay. At lahat ng volunteers, individuals, organization, maraming salamat sa inyo. And I hope supporting me will not stop because tapos na election. Again, waiting for Chichi and I, the entire group, we cannot do it alone. We need everybody's participation. People of Manila, we need you. Of course, it is our city. It is our community. Walang magmamalasakit dito kung hindi tayo magbabagat. So, I hope in the coming weeks, come and join us. Let's rebuild Manila. We have a better place for us maybe, but definitely let's do this for the next generation. Muli, maraming salamat and God first.
Thank you.